Have you been practicing speaking Yoruba? We hope you have. The more you practice, the better you'll be at speaking it. What would our friend like to learn today?
Hi, Kimo and Kai. My mum's always telling me I should greet her in Yoruba, but I always forget how to. Please, can you teach me?
We have different greetings for different times of the day. Most of the greetings start with Eku, which means greetings to you. Aro is morning. So in the morning, you say Eku aro or Ekaro. Now you say it Ekaro. Oso is afternoon. So in the afternoon, you say Eku oso or Ekaso. Now you say it Ekaso. Irole is evening. So in the evening, you say Eku irole or Ekurole. Now you say it Ekurole. Ale is night. So in the night, you say Eku ale or Ekale. Now you say it Ekale. When you're going to bed, you say Odaro. This means till morning. Like you're saying, see you in the morning. Now you say it Odaro. Make sure you practice saying those greetings every day. It's quiz time! Fastest thing on buzzer! Let's go!
Shotia!
Benny!
How do you say good morning in Yoruba? Kayamo?
Ekaro.
Correct, Ogba. How do you say I ate food this morning in Yoruba? Kayamo?
Moje onje ni aro.
Correct, Ogba.
Yes!
Question 3. How do you say I will sleep at night in Yoruba? Kayamo?
Mama so ni ale.
Correct, Ogba.
In your face.
Question 4. How do you greet in the evening? Kayamo?
Ekurole.
Correct, Ogba. Question 5. How do you say I will go to my friend's house in the evening in Yoruba? Kayamo?
Mama lọ sí ilé ọ̀rẹ́ mi ní ìrọ̀lẹ́.
Correct, Ogba. And the winner is Kayamo.
Yay!
Better luck next time, Kai.
Guys, you know what time it is. It's time for Honey's Word of the Day. Take it away, Honey.
Alright guys, today's word of the day is zero, and that in English means to play.
Oshe, Honey, that was great. Guys, make sure you practice.
It's food time!
Now it's time for Onje Food. Let's find out what we have today.
Asaro with assorted meat. Some amazing facts about asaro. Fact 1. Asaro is made from yam which is boiled till it's tender and it's cooked in a blend of peppers, tomatoes, onions, palm oil and seasoning. Fact 2. Asaro is also known as yam pottage or yam porridge. Fact 3. It is eaten by most tribes in Nigeria, however it is more common in the Yoruba speaking parts of Nigeria. Also, it is so yummy.
Now it's time for our food challenge. Whoever eats the most food before the timer runs out is the winner. Are you ready? Let's go! you think one?
I think you.
Yay! It's recap time! Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàsán. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. Ẹ káalẹ́. Ó dàárọ̀.
That's the end of Yoruba Stars for this week. But join us again next week for another fun episode. And remember to subscribe.